What up, LupeSuits? Foxy here with my good friend Rusty the Wolf.
How's it going?
We're here today at Top Gold.
Top Golf!
Yes! Top Gold!
Yeah. Hello.
With the fans here. We haven't played yet. Was it fun?
Yes, it's so good.
If I had to ask you, who would win out of me or this wolf here? Who do you reckon will win? Who's the better player?
I think him because you have
I
big
think
boots on
you
him.
because you look like you have good grip.
It's all about the grip. It's all about the grip.
And the stance. Wait, show us your best golf stance.
Nah, he's winning for sure.
Alright, thanks guys.
Thank you. Yeah, I want to hug.
Yeah, let's get a hug. Oh, sorry. Haha, suck it, wolf. So yes, we're here at Top Golf. It just opened up here in the Gold Coast of Australia. Is it the first one in Australia?
First one in Australia.
First one in Australia. Hopefully it takes off. It seems pretty cool.
It is.
Not quite Team Fox versus Team Wolf this week because we got a few friends coming along. It's turning into Team LupeSuits versus Team TMC. Let's go have a look inside. Let's go. So we're all signed in. Let's go see who else is on Team Loop. Let's go. Hey! You may know this collie. He's my fellow Team Loop teammate, Kori Karma. Hi. How you doing, boy?
Good.
You being a good doggo? Yes. All right, so let's go see who our competition is on Team TMC. Let's go meet Rusty's teammate.
I bet you're wondering who my teammate is. I'll give you a little hint. He's in the last production of us too. Come here. Meet Boxer. We've got the cameraman on my team. What do you reckon? We're gonna beat him? He doesn't talk, which is funny because he talks behind the camera constantly. We're gonna win. We're gonna win.
Let's play some golf. It's about time. We've been here for like half an hour already. Let's see how this goes. There we go. I got something. What I get? What I get? What I get?
Points. You got a green target.
4 points.
You got 4 points at 89.
Yay! Okay, we'll do 3 shots each.
Sounds good.
What did I get that time? 6 points.
6 points.
Yay! It went really far, but it didn't hit anything.
We got the same club, no cheating.
Whoa! He nearly hit my GoPro. Ah! What a shot!
That's solid 0 there.
We're doing good. Team Loop.
I can't see my hands. It's mad.
All right, Kori Karma. He's representing Team Loop. He's gonna smash it.
Yeah.
Hopefully that way.
You might actually want to, you know.
Yay! There we go. He got 4 points! Yay! There we go. It missed everything. Well, that's a good shot.
Yeah. 4 points.
Alright, after the first lot of 3 shots, it's Team LupeSuits 14. Yeah, Kori! Team TMC 4 points.
Oh, my.
Alright, so we're going to speed this up a bit, just do a bit of montage so you don't get bored. We're going to change clubs every 3 shots and we'll get the scores at the end. We'll see you then. after that first shot, Team TMC taking the lead, 28 points. Team LupeSuits are a bit behind, 23. But Kori, we got this. All right? Believe. So after that amazing round by Team LupeSuits, we are in the lead again by a lot, like 64 to 34. So 7 shots left each. Let's finish it up for LupeSuits. I just scored 7 points for Boxer and Team TMC. I hit his ball by mistake. Boxer, you need 48 points to win. Can you do it? Yes! Woo! Yeah! Yes! Woo! I want to check this. What are the final scores again? What the hell just happened?
I just got the final score. He got in the wine.
I'll break my vow of silence to say you lost. You are a pure fox. Team LupeSuits here.
Team LupeSuits.
92. Team TFC 71 plus 23.
Which is 94.
94.
2 points.
There is a punishment for the losers, and we'll film that in a little bit. We will be out of suit, maybe. Boxer, well done, sir. You kicked my ass at golf. Yep.
Yay.
Very well played. All right, we're out, guys. We'll catch you at the punishment. Bye.
Bye.